Spain is a country still rebuilding following the financial crisis, but the outlook appears to be positive. The country's economy grew at 3.2% last year, one of the quickest in the Eurozone. Part of the reason behind that is due to a fourfold increase by Chinese investors, a trend that was acknowledged at a KPMG event in Madrid.
When we
see the manner in which Chinese investments are increasing internationally, we need to see similar rises in Spain, and we have to speak with the Chinese government about what we can do to make Spain more attractive to potential investors.
Investments by Chinese companies in Spain have been varied. This Galician heavy manufacturing company, Gindara Sensor, thrived after being taken over by Cytic Hisense. While in the sports sector last year, Rastar Group took an 85% stake in Barcelona-based football club Espanyol. The most important transaction by Chinese investors into Spain last year saw the acquisition of waste management company Urbesa by Firin Investments. The initial deal was worth more than $1.2 billion US, but in comparison to other European countries, Spain has been slow off the mark.
Company relationship started a little bit later than other European countries. Really, Spain, the position of Spain nowadays is only the third country more attractive for the Chinese company in the southern European countries, but the investment is growing more and more.
Adding to the investment picture is the presence of Chinese companies establishing operations in Spain. Technology companies, including Huawei, is among those to have a centre in Spain, along with logistic companies such as Costco.
We are in regular contact with our headquarters in Shanghai, trying to explain them or trying to bring the interest in order to expand investments in Spain, and this is the process that we are doing right now.
Adding to the upturn, a direct rail link between China and Madrid. Although China investment in Spain began sluggishly, most here only see an upward trend continuing into the future.
I would say that, investment opportunities, people will be pointing their guns at Spain, or pointing their investment targets rather at Spain. Therefore, the inertia will bring in more investment just by the fact that this is where the growth is at the moment.
Spain may have been slow to attract Chinese investors, but that looks set to accelerate in future years. Dan Williams, CGTN, Madrid.